Hello everyone! This OfficeLogix Shop tutorial will guide you effortlessly through the process of removing the back of the Steelcase Amia. This might be necessary if you want to replace it, do some cleaning, or if you're preparing to ship the chair back. All you need is a 13mm wrench, or preferably a socket wrench. Let's start. There are 4 bolts at the bottom of the backrest that need to be removed. Begin by twisting each bolt counterclockwise to loosen them. Once they are loosened, you can proceed to remove them by hand. Once the bolts are removed, you can easily separate the back from the chair. Reinstalling the back is also a straightforward process. Simply slide the back into the designated slot and reinsert the bolts, following the diagonal bolt trick method. Start by placing the first and second bolts in the opposing corners, say here and here, then tighten them slightly by hand. Then, ensure the back is fully seated in its place before inserting the remaining bolts. Tighten these by hand as well. Once the initial hand tightening is complete, use the tool to tighten the bolts securely. That's it. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials.